right? So once we find this, we know that this is the dorsal root. These are rootlets here, right? All the rootlets come out, they converge and form the dorsal root. This is the dorsal root ganglion, which means the other side is the what? The ventral root, right? Both of these roots come together and form the what? Spinal nerve. That's the spinal nerve. Spinal nerves are what? Are they motor, sensory, or mixed? How many spinal nerves are there? There's 31. 31 spinal nerves, and they are all what? Mixed. They're all mixed. They have sensory and motor. Okay? So we know this is the dorsal root. These are the dorsal rootlets. That's the dorsal root ganglion. It merges with the anterior root or the ventral root to form the spinal nerve. So now if we're looking at this is obviously in the thoracic region because there's a lateral horn here. But we have two horns. One's a ventral and one's a dorsal. Or one's a posterior and one's an anterior. So which is the anterior horn?
You'll take either one, right? If we say anterior.
Anterior or ventral is the same thing, yeah.
Okay.
I'll take either one. Okay. That's correct. This is the anterior horn, and this is the posterior horn. Okay? Or the... Because anterior and ventral are the same thing. This is the ventral root, and the ventral root connects to the ventral horn. So, or the anterior horn. Or you can say anterior root. I mean, it's all, I'm going to take it all, you know? So this is the first thing you look for is the dorsal root ganglion. You see this big bulb, you know that this is the dorsal root, so you know this has to be the dorsal horn or the what? Posterior horn, right? Yeah, it's the major place that it's found. I think there's a portion of the sacrum, that's what it says in your book, but I've been told that the lateral horn is only present in the thoracic part of the spinal column. That's not going to be on there. No, I didn't even ask you. The lateral horn is not on there. So no. But, and then, so what kind of matter is this? And then what's this? White matter, right? The white and gray matter. We did all of those. There's 31 pairs. They're all mixed with spinal nerves. And then the plexes, so those are the cervical, brachial, lumbar, and sacral. The exams I graded so far, a lot of you put thoracic plexus. There's no thoracic plexus. It's a brachial plexus. I
just thought arm. I was thinking axillary.
Axillary, you were thinking?
Axillary. So like I don't know.
You came out. You